Hello and welcome to part 3 of our tutorial. In this part, we are going to be doing dimensioning, installation and plotting our drawing. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do here is we go to adjust the dimension scales. Okay, so let's type in dimension style. Okay, dim. You just type it dim style, short form of dimension style. Then you press enter key. Then you have this dimension style manager pop up. So let's create a new dimension. We could still modify this one, okay, or use the current, but let's create our new dimension. Okay, let me just type in my dimension. Then you click on continue. Then this larger one will pop up. Then the first thing you want to do is let's go to the text here. Okay, you go to the text, you left click, then this will come down. Then let's go down to text height is what we want to adjust here. You go to the text height. Then here is 0.18, but I would like us to adjust it to a larger scale where the dimension will really be visible. So let's put it at 4. Okay, let's put it at 0.4. Okay, you click here and hold so that it goes up to 0.4. Then the next thing we want to do here, we go to the primary unit. Go here to the primary unit. Then the first thing we adjust here, okay, here the unit format, we should take decimal. Okay, we should take decimal in dimensioning. Then precision, I would like us to round up our drawing at 1 decimal place, so we'll take 0.0. You click. Then the next thing here, okay, the round off is this round up is at 0.000. It's at 0. So we go now to the suffix. Yeah, the suffix. The unit. This suffix is going to be the unit after your dimension, whether in meters or in inches or in whatever. So we click in this box. Then let's take meters. Okay, we type in M for meters. Then we close. Excuse. You click OK. Then we close here. Then the next thing is let's go to the unit for the installation. Okay, to adjust the unit for installation of our type UN, short form of unit. Then you press enter. Then this drawing units will pop up. Then here we got the length type. Okay, here it's gonna be decimal, precision 000. Then the most important thing we want to do here is to adjust the insertion scale. Okay, let's adjust the insertion scale, the unit to scale insertion content, because if you don't precise, then your appliances might be too large for your building. So in this case, I would like us to take meters. Okay, so let's take meters. Then at precision, let's put it at 0.0. Then you click OK. Then you go up to your layers. Then you drop down your layers. Remember, we already adjusted, we already typed in all the information here. So we go to installation. Then the next thing we want to do is you click Control then 2. Okay, Control 2, and then this bar will pop up. Then here, okay, here I think here we are at the house design, because I can see the toilet. Sorry, for kitchens. Here is kitchens. Okay, here is kitchens. Then in the kitchens, we like to take, okay, let's take this double sink, drop it out here where we are going to take and use. Then let's go next to this range oven, drop it here where we are going to take and use. Then the next thing we want to take out from this place should be microwave. We need it in the kitchen. Okay, then okay, come here to the extreme left end, then you backward, this backward arrow, you click, then you click again. Then let's go in now to house design. You double click 1, 2, then let's come to block, double click on block. Then here, this house design, you're going to see bath. We need the bath. Okay, drop it here. Then the next thing we need from here is this wash and sink. Drop it here. Then the next thing is the toilet pot. Drop it here where we're going to use. Then the next thing we want to do now, okay, let's go, I think that's all we need from there. Let's go back to our arrow, then we backward 2 points. Then let's go to home space planning. Okay, home space planner, then double click, then you block, double click to block. Then this is what we find. So the first thing, let's take the bed, left click and carry, drop it there. Then the second thing here, let's take the dining with just selecting the essentials. Okay, then the next thing here, okay, I think we need this flower in the house. Then I think we need this sofa, and we need this sofa, and I think we need this rectangular table, okay, for our central table. Okay, for now let's go back to, okay, what if, sorry, let's go back. Okay, and then you close. Okay, so the next thing we want to do now is to carry all of these and insert them in our building. So we go to the copy tool, then left click and let go. Let's first of all start with the dining. Okay, you left click on the dining, let go, then you press enter, then you come on it, you click and let go, then you come here, let's insert the dining here, then press escape or enter. Then we'll go again to the copy tool, then let's select the sofa, enter, then you left click and let go, carry, and place it here, escape, and finally we have our building installed. So the next thing we do now is to dimension. So we go to the layers, drop down, we select dimension, then we go here to the dimension annotation, then let's select linear, because linear is for horizontal and vertical dimensions. We select linear, Then let's dimension this one. You click here and we click here, then we click, then we go again, click, click and click. Here we are. Finally, we have all our dimensions. So the next thing we want to do now is to save our drawing, is to plot our drawing as PDF. So in order to plot this drawing, you just leave your cursor somewhere there, then you type in plot, then you press enter key, then you have this plot model pop up. So the very first thing we want to do at this plot here is we name the plotter. So let's go down to DWG2 PDF, then you left click there. Then the second thing, let's go to the paper size. The paper size here, I would like us to select to plot our drawing in A3 420 by 297 millimeters. Then we left click. So this is how our drawing is going to be plotted. But looking at this drawing here, it's not centralized. Okay, it's not centralized. So we go here, center the plot, then you check. So you see now that it's centered. Okay, then we come over here, make sure your drawing is in landscape. Okay, landscape, otherwise known as horizontal. Okay, because we selected a horizontal paper, so it should be in landscape. You can preview to check if it's okay. So go to preview. So when you print your drawing, this is how it's gonna look like on your A4 sheet. Okay, so we close the preview, then we click OK, and this other one will pop up. Then where do you want to save your drawing? Okay, let's save in desktop. Okay, you go to desktop, left click, okay, then you come in here, type the name of your file. So let's say PDF, then you click on save. Okay, so this is what you got. Okay, this is what you got in color. Okay, in order to save our drawing in black and white, you go up here. Okay, you go plot style table, you drop this down and you go down to monochrome and you click here. Okay, assign this plot style table to all layout, then yes, then you come to preview to see. Okay, this is black and white or monochrome. Then you go back here, then you click OK. Then let's select again, select here, then you name your drawing PDF2, then you save. Okay, this is black and white or monochrome. So that is how we got to save our drawing. In our next tutorial, we are going to draw the elevation, okay, the front elevation. Please don't forget to subscribe. Subscription is actually free, please, so just press the subscribe button, okay? So, and don't forget to turn up the notification bell so that when I upload the next drawing, you'll be the first person to see. And so thank you very much.